Dave Wong out of Grand Prairie. I recognize a good 50% of you guys. That's a quick nutshell of wheat. I am running out of time here, so I'm just going to shoot through the barley. We're on through this, I guess. Not much to talk about barley because corn will drive the market. There's a barley futures, no one used it. I can't even remember the last time I saw a contract trade in the barley futures. So corn is going to determine what barley does. The corn disappearance is strong, tight ending stocks, ethanol usage very large. The U.S. downgraded their corn crop, I mentioned that before. There's a lot of feed out there, a lot of feed wheat, a lot of feed oats. That's going to hold our barley prices down this year, hold both barley and oats down. Our Canadian production down 3.2% from last year. Livestock numbers are down, but there were production problems in Australia and EU. So that will also add feed into the world supply. And we had good barley yields across Alberta this year. This is the supply-demand table, down 13% in acres, production down 13%, ending stocks are going to be down 48%. But there's less barley out there and less being used. Yeah. This is one of the reasons why our cattle numbers are really fallen the last 4 years. These are total cattle, cow calves. A lot of cows have been sold this year. Some may not have gone to breeding herds. A lot of them probably just went to hamburgers, so our numbers are way down. And then with our numbers down, the guys that are in it are holding back their heifers, so they're not eating barley in the feedlot. So this is going to influence our feedlot prices, the number of animals out there. Weekly corn futures, big record crop was expected, so last spring corn prices dropped, started coming up, exceptional usage, tight ending stocks. Now we're way up here at, we were up almost trying to test $6, but we didn't make it, so we're going sideways now. Same thing with all those other macro factors. We're not sure what corn will do, but corn and beans will be fighting for acres, and that should help prices. This hasn't shifted much. This is our barley price across Western Canada, in Alberta, 320 to 340. More down south where the bigger feedlots are and they have to feed. This is a percentage of billions of gallons of ethanol expansion. This is how much ethanol is being used. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency increased their allowable ethanol in newer vehicles to 15% from 10%. So that could even bump this up another 50% if that goes into legislation. But they've done the test, and now what they call E15 is allowed to be used in 2007 or newer vehicles. And they're just waiting for the results for 2001 to 2007 vehicles. So even more land could be going towards ethanol.